20, mate, that. Nah, you're moulding and that.
10 items of anything for a fiver. For a fiver, you cannot look.
Pez. You like Pez?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Remember them, yeah.
Oh, well.
Where is it there? Was it? Oh.
What about this one?
Was it?
Hey.
What, pal?
Was it 3 for a pound?
Yeah, 3 for a quid.
3 for a quid, mate.
No, I got 3 and 3.
Yeah,
2 quid, 3 5.
10 items for a fiver, all walk past us.
So.
Today.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Thank you.
Out you want, pal? Any 10 items for a fiver, mate. Out on stall. What about sandals?
What's Richard's last name? Big family. Last one. You know the last
Second ball for you.
Can I just get this then?
50p, love.
Alrighty.
It is quite on then. I used to be at 8 times. It's just all gone round down. Me at the top, I was going to get those in.
Whoa, look at this.
You already got about one now, so we'll see you around.
Yeah, and I was just looking at that and I thought, it's being it is quite forgiving. I will say that.
Sorry, how much are these?
50p.
Alright, I'll take them both.
£5.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Slide.
They're coming now anyway.
How much for your radio? Huh? Can you break a 5?
Yes.
All right. Oop. There we go. Thank you.
You need to give all the insults now you've had all the good gear.
I know, it all defrosts all your fridge and stuff. We do loads of
Yeah, but you can afford all the energy bills now. Get your generator going.
How much you selling this for?
£2 though.
£2. All right. Let's see. Oh, it's melted. Darn.
I'll have to dig
the lamp post outside. Oh, we got phone.
Mate, is this your stuff here?
Yes.
How much for these 2 bits, please?
£3.
£3. Alrighty. Hiya. How much you selling Batman for?
£2.
£2.
Yeah.
I'll take them. There we go.
That's lovely.
Thank you.
Got 2 little figures there. Don't lose them.
Okay. Yeah, that would be tragic, wouldn't it?
It would. Baby, real life baby on the floor. Oh, baby.
All right.
Excuse me, did you just buy the Batman thing?
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
lost the little figure.
Oh, no, thank you so much.
The sets are £2.
Okay, thank you.
I did have some singles, but I forgot to put them in the car.
Always the way. Let me see. I'm losing stuff as I go.
Well, you went this morning, didn't you?
How much are your records?
£2.
£2. Let's hustle. Would you do 3 for $5?
Can't, I've got to get £2 each on those. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I've got to get £2 each.
Yes. Just worth asking.
Yeah, no, it is worth
I got 3 here, so.
Alright, cool. I'm just going to put my sign up now. £4 on the light, bud. Got a deal. Let's go. I'm not going to sleep over £1. Some people may. Yep. Not £2. You're right, Eva. No key. Ah. Just one key. That would be dangerous.
Do, do, do.
Yeah, ask him.
No, you know that window thing?
Here you go, Michelle. Loads. These aren't in bad condition. Paper made. That's cool, but I wish.
sometimes I don't get to see everything. We're on the job, they don't get to touch me. Take care.
I don't know anything about these.
I think I'm even understanding it's that. I'm not joking yet. You don't have that money? Because if not, I'm going to put it on eBay. So we do. How do you know? It's honestly, you know I'm never expensive. But when it's something better, I have to have a little bit more.
It's because I don't know it, that's why. That's not the reason.
That's the middle bit in the middle. It's like when it
Can be done, it just, you know, like another foot. Right. Flower pots.
£1. It's Scottish. It's Scottish, yeah. Thank you very much. It says Scottish on it. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
I'll take that and risk it for a biscuit.
I would. I would risk it.
I'll get you out of my money.
You're talking to someone who's an experienced antique dealer. I've been doing it since I was 14. You can't know everything, but I know a lot.
Buttons. I know. I love button tins. Leave me alone. It's not the secret buttons.
That's kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's an original golf ball, never been out the...
I might give that a go.
So how much were you?
All right, I got a pile here. So we've got
So that.
So you Rodney?
That's my wrist.
That. That's one, two. Is that just the bottom? Yeah.
it's the paper.
Yeah.
There's pens in there.
1, 2. As a 10 with lots on.
Sounds fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm not gonna nickel and dime you guys. You're good to me.
Would you like a bag?
I think I'll be all right with that thing. Thank you.
They're cool. I like them. Like they've got on the original.
Yeah.
Do you know what they're for?
It says
They
shoe
go in your bottom of
protectors,
your
but
shoes. So when you walk, you like click, click.
Segs, yeah.
Yeah. Like
If
my
you're
teacher
wearing
used to have
leather shoes, you used to hammer them into backs of your heels or fronts of your foot, and it stops you from wearing them down in certain areas.
oh.
So as you walk, I always remember my teacher used to wear them, and you could hear him coming down the corridor, and everyone was like, "Hey, quiet! He's coming! He's coming!"
Because I can buy them for my heels and my high heel shoes as well, and replace heels. Because now they do plastic ones. If you can get metal ones, it'd be great.
Yeah, I seen the plastic ones. They're kind of. I don't know if they would last that long.
No, they don't.
And then
That's
they would
why
get
you can buy
discolored.
You can buy the metal ones. You can pull them out with pliers and put metal ones in.
Wow.
You have to make your shoes last a bit longer these days.
True, true. How much for your slide projector down here? It's
£7 now, Duck.
£7.
Yeah, and it does work.
You sold me one last week for $5.
I know, but it wasn't new, was it?
Ooh, to drive a hard bargain. All right, let me see what we got here.
Do you want a screen to it as well?
No,
No, we haven't bought it. I've got a massive screen.
There we go.
50-inch screen.
50-inch.
No, I just use the wall these days.
Do you?
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a big old white wall in our living room.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, she does, doesn't she?
She just takes a picture of it all.
Alrighty.
She lines up chairs so they're in cinema.
Did you give me my 3 back?
I
You did,
did.
didn't you? Yeah. Oh, geez, my memory's crap today.
Mine is.
Good, then it makes 2 of us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, you go.
How much is your typewriter?
5.
5?
All works. Everything's nice on it. All this, all the arm works. It's really old actually. Yeah. So
Cool.
Case and everything with it.
Brilliant. I'll take it then.
Yeah, let me clip it together for you.
Thank you. Just gonna keep looking in case there's something else I wanna
Yeah.
also add to it.
What's your name? Oh, just 50p, mate.
Awesome.
Yours.
Thank you. Yeah, that is mine. Yep.
I didn't want to put it on it. But
Much easier on my back, that thing. Let's see. So the 5 there we go.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so my GoPro died. So what you didn't see was that I bought this. Comes with the lead. Seems to work. Battery connections look good. So bought it for 4 quid. See how it does. Test it out when we get home. Worst case scenario, might just need a new belt, which I can replace myself. No biggie. I'm sorry? Thrifty Shutterbug. Thank you. Well, sure, why not? Hang on a second. Let me get over there so it's proper. Oh, right. Where am I from? Upstate New York.
Upstate New York, which bit?
Yeah. Have you heard of Albany, Saratoga, that area?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right over there.
Very nice. I've come down from Toronto, come through Buffalo, and
Oh, yeah, okay.
so that's as far as I've got into New York. Yeah, next year I'm planning for my big 4-0, planning like
Oh.
New York and then across going down and sort of Missouri, St. Louis.
Oh,
Tennessee.
are you going like Route 66 kind of stuff?
Maybe. I'm hoping. I just want all the good food and the good beer.
Yeah.
So let's give you a follow then, shall we? Let's do it.
Oh, thank you.
So then I can watch a video. Better be in the video.
Well, I'll put you there, don't worry.
What hockey team do you support?
Ooh, see, I lived in Philadelphia for a while, so the Flyers.
Ooh, dude. Well, I've got a couple of mates that, I can't admit it, but then again, I'm kind of rivals, right? This could end in disaster because I'm kind of, somebody has to support the losers, right?
Well, yeah, always.
Toronto.
Nah.
Go on, so what? Go on.
Thrifty Shutterbug, all one word.
T. You expect me to be able to spell that?
Shutterbug.
Search. That's you.
That would be
So I'm gonna get on
me.
this camera, so we are like, boom.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Let's see, you got anything I could buy?
Loads of stuff. It's all 50p.
All 50p?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's see.
Edits films as well.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So yeah. Can I do that shout out?
Yeah, do the shout out.
So, Rachel Rawson on YouTube. Subscribe.
Rachel Rawson.
Yeah.
Let me get these. I'm going to get these for personal use.
You knock yourself out.
Let's see, 50p did you say?
50p. Yeah, they're
They
quite
always come in handy, love them.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. Oh, it's all right. Is it a lunch bag?
Yeah, it's one of the insulated ones.
Oh, right, okay.
You just need to, obviously, if you've got one of those blocks.
Yes,
You know,
yeah,
freezer
the ice
blocks,
block
freezer, yeah,
thingies.
yeah.
How much is it?
It's expensive.
Okay, how much?
50p.
Oh, I don't know. Breaking the bank. See, it matches my bag, my
Oh, it
thing
does,
here.
doesn't it?
Yeah, that's what caught my eye.
Right, yeah.
Let me see here. Here we go. I got 60p. How's that?
Oh, I can get you 10p.
Oh, no, it's all right. Keep it. Yeah, yeah. What are the chances I would have found that, huh?
Well, I'm really mesmerised with that.
I just have to have it. I don't, thank you.